Why can blaming others be attractive? Well, if you look at Genesis chapter 3, verse 12, when Adam is confronted about the problem of picking and eating the unforbidden fruit, it was the woman you gave me. She's the one who's to blame for this. We've been involved with blaming ever since that point in human history. What blaming does is it's an attempt to get things off of ourselves and get them onto someone else. What we all really are looking for is a righteousness, that we do things right, and if we do things wrong, it's someone else's fault. The problem of this is that if we never take responsibility for our lives, we don't really live a good life. We don't take control over our own life if we can't take responsibility for ourselves. How does God want to help humanity? He wants to help us through His grace, letting us know that, yes, we've fallen short of the glory of God, and we fall short of loving others the way that He calls us to, but He brings us grace. Grace that says at the end of the day, we are loved and forgiven people of God because of Jesus Christ. What that does is it allows us to look in the mirror, take responsibility for ourselves, rather than go through life blaming. I hope this video has been helpful for you, but in any case, as we say, Salam alaikum, paz de Dios en tu viaje. God's peace be with you on your journey.